Excuse me, my car make a squeaky noise when I break it.
Smell like your car a market territory upon the wrong lamppost. If any mechanic tell you 600 for new brake system, them are teeth bigger than me.
What, so you say you rob me?
Listen, me not rob people, me give them the experience of being robbed. Very professional service.
So you any different for the scammers online?
Online scheme, I take your credit card, me take your cash, your trust, a couple parts out your car, and then your spare tire too.
What the rest me hearing?
If a mechanic never teach one part, him not certified yet. That's the graduation ceremony. But don't worry, you're in safe hands.
Sure.
All right, me try a little some. Go forward and press your brakes slowly. The struggle real. You sure you want a mechanic? Scrap yard further down the road. Boss, car not start, it dead? Please tell me it's not serious. Boy, your car not dead. It ain't in a coma. Give me one jump lead and it go wake up like Viagra commercial. Boss, me beg you, fix the engine, not my love life. This car suffering from low self-esteem, needs motivation. You sure it's mechanic shop me stepping up and not psychiatrist office? Yo, boss, where my car there? It round the back, make me still work on it, you know?
Hey, yeah.
Really, cause I swear me I see you with your whole family in my car headed to church last Sunday.
Me just want to pray over my repair.